Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again, here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Now, this is my third video on the topic clauses. In the previous video, I explained that there are three kinds of dependent clause. They are noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. And I already explained about noun clause. So today let us study about adjective clause and its different usage. What is an adjective clause? An adjective clause is a group of words that has the subject verb combination and that acts as an adjective in a sentence. An adjective clause is a dependent clause and it cannot stand on its own. It's a part of a sentence. An adjective clause starts with the following conjunctions and they are who, whom, that, which, when, where, whose and why. Now let us understand it with example. Here you can see it is written, the person who taught me yoga lives in the wood. Now the sentence who taught me yoga is adjective clause. And why so? Because it is defining the noun. Whom it is defining? It is defining the person, telling the quality. Which person? Who taught me yoga. That is why who taught me yoga is an adjective clause. Now have a look on the second example. Here it is written, the movie which we watched last night was amazing. Now which we watched last night is adjective clause. And why so? Because these words, or we can say clause, is defining the noun which, movie. Have a look at this example. Here it is written, Jyoti is the girl whom I admire a lot. Now, whom I admire a lot is adjective clause. And why so? Because these words are defining whom, the girl, telling about whom, the girl. That is why they are adjective clause. Now see at this example. I love the book that my brother gifted me last month. Now that my brother gifted me last month is adjective clause. And why so? Because these words, that my brother gifted, which book? That my brother gifted. That is why the words that my brother gifted me last month is the adjective clause of the sentence. Now let us understand what is an adverb clause in English. An adverb clause is a clause that acts as an adverb in a sentence. It modifies the verb in the sentence. Now what is it is doing? It is modifying the verb. It starts with the following subordinating conjunctions and they are because, unless, as, for, since, whenever, when, as soon as if, as though, every time, anytime, although, though, if, until, etc. Now what is the quality of adverb clause? It modifies the verb in the sentence and answer the following questions. The first one, when the action happened or happens, that is adverb of time. Where the action happened or happens, it tells adverb of place. Why the action happened or happens, that is adverb of reason or purpose. How the action is done, that is adverb of manner. Now have a look at this example. Here it is written, I shout at students when they piss me off. Now what is a verb here? Shout. What it is telling? When I shout. The time. When? When they piss me off. So when they piss me off is telling the time. That is why it is adverb clause of time. Now let us see this sentence. I am coming to meet you where we met last week. Now here where we met last week is telling about what? It is telling about the place where we have met. That is why it is adverb clause of place. Now next example. He speaks like a born orator. Now here what we are doing? We are telling the manner how he speaks. How is he speaking? That is why like a born orator is adverb clause of manner. Now see at this example. Although he is rich, he does not spend much. Now see, this is the contrast. Though he is rich, he should have spent much money. Now instead of spending much money, he is spending less. So this is the contrast. He is rich but spending less money. Now here you can see it is written, I teach English because I love it. Now what is the reason behind why I am teaching English? What is the reason? What is the purpose? And the reason is because I love doing it. That is why it is an adverb clause of reason. Now here you can see it is written, if you do not want to eat a pizza, I will eat it. Now I am telling the condition when I am going to eat the pizza. The condition is that when you don't want to eat a pizza. So that is why if you do not want to eat a pizza is an adverb clause of condition. Hope I made myself very clear with these types of clauses. So my dear students, just keep on revising, learning, studying and just watch the videos very carefully. Then only you are going to understand the concept behind it. Stay home, stay safe and keep on studying.